Hi, my name is Carlos Riffo. I'm the specialist trainer for Avery Dennison in Spain. Today I will share one of the most important topics in car wrapping, which is the double corrugation of the vehicles. This corrugation is totally different from the previous video. Here we are going to apply the material flat, as in the previous video. However, we'll stay clear of the corrugation. Squeegeeing too close will leave very little space to stretch. We'll squeegee to here and go into the deepest part first, like in the first video. However, now we are heating much more vinyl to form into this type of part. Let's see how it's done. Following the same cleaning process described in the previous video, we will ensure that the corrugations are clean. We will place the air exit in this area. And now we apply on the inside. How much material should we leave so that all the vinyl goes towards the corrugation? The maximum possible. In principle, a good measure for this case would be 2 squeegee lengths. A little more even would also be fine. Always as much material as possible. First, we will attack the deepest part. Here we already have contact with the surface, with which we can mark this curve here. And finally, we will do the thinner part. And then we will remove the air from the flat area. We must never heat only this section. We must heat all the vinyl, so that all the vinyl sticks against the corrugation. We heat everything. And remember, the last step is to get the air from the flat area. This is super important. And now to finish, as in the previous piece, with a wet squeegee, we will conform the material. We will carefully remove the strap while heating the material to allow it to recover its position. We've already removed all the strap. Position the material, we loosen it, we let the material fall gently to avoid marks, and we make the application to finish the piece. Well, 2 different types of corrugation. A corrugation where it forces us to stick flat and get into the deepest part, then the thinnest part, and then the central part, and a very deep corrugation where we can play with this excess of material that we have, where we can make the material go to the deepest part, then to the thinnest part, and then finally to the central part. 2 different ways to attack a corrugation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you at one of our training centers here in Madrid or anywhere else in Europe, or click on the link you will see at the end of this video. If you'd like to learn more, go to graphics.averydennison.eu/workshops. Hope to see you again for our next video. See you soon.